Lot number 454 is a John Deere 310 SG. All right, we're going to demonstrate that it works. I'll get you the details of the problems later, but let me demonstrate since I had this gentleman helping us out. There goes the bucket, goes up, goes down. And this is a clamshell bucket. As you can see, it's got the cylinders. Can you make the clamshell open? Okay, we're going to demonstrate the clamshell. See if it works. Open. There it goes. Yeah, it started doing it. There it goes. There goes the clamshell. It's working. All right. Thank you. So the front section, it's working. The hydraulic cylinders look good. And now we're going to demonstrate the backhoe. We're going to extend it out. Okay, goes up and down. Extends out. Goes in. There goes the bucket. It's moving. Okay. Now side to side. We're going to move it side to side. Goes up. No. This way. Okay, right. Left. All right. That's good. And that's good. Now, the stabilizer. Gonna bring it down. Stabilizer going up. All right. Going down. And now we're going to do the other one. Going up. This one has a flat tire, as you can see. That's why it's so low on this side. So this one has a flat tire. And the rear tires, they look fair. The front ones look worn. So this one does go down because I put it down.
Because the tire.
I know it's working, but I know because of the flat tire, you don't want to flip. All right, so this one works as well. I vouch for it. All right, as you can see, the unit looks in pretty good shape. You know, it's faded. It's got surface rust all over. The main problem with this unit is that the accelerator. Thank you, sir. I appreciate it. All right, I'm going to show you now. I'm going to get up there and show you what I see up close when he gets down. But you can see the front tires are worn. The battery was dead. I jump started it. All right, it's a 310 SG. This is a 4x2 unit, not a 4x4. All right, as you can see. And the cover is cracked, the fiberglass cover. Thank you. As you can see, it's cracked. The motor sounds good, but it does not accelerate. So now let me show you the problems. Let's see. As you can see, the floor deck is rusted through. Look at that. It's pretty bad. The floor deck needs to be fixed. We need to weld that, fix that up. The seat is barely supported. The rust is really bad on the deck. Now, this cover, I have a cover here. I don't know if that belongs, what covers that portion, but that's where all the fuses are at. I got a plastic cover here, and I got some metal, this metal piece, I think it belongs to the floor, and that one goes on the floor deck too. But other than that, let me show you where the problem is. This is an electronic throttle. It's not accelerating. See, it's not doing anything. So there's no acceleration here. It idles beautiful. The motor sounds great. The seat is torn and destroyed. The seat needs to be replaced. The dashboard looks good. Let me show you the dashboard. As you can see, it's got 25. Let me see if you can see the hours there. No, you can't see it. Let me see. There we go, 2,535 hours. All right. So the dash looks good. Here's the stabilizer, some rust. We got more rust on the deck. The deck is in really bad shape. So that you can fix. But the most important thing, All the hydraulics work. It functions, and it does engage, and it does go forward and back, but only at idle. Does not accelerate. All right, so that's pretty much it. It's got potential. It's got some rust on the roof as well. Let me show you. See that? But definitely worth investing money in it and get it to be perfect. So the mechanics are good. The accelerator is not accelerating, and the floor deck is rusted. Good luck.